Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions. You must be the organizer, owner, or have explicit access to the recording. Once that's clear, open the Teams desktop app or the Teams web client and sign in with the account linked to the meeting. Next, go straight to the meeting chat or the channel thread where the recording appears. It's typically posted automatically after processing. Make sure to check both chat and channel tabs because recordings sometimes appear in one but not the other. Once you locate the message, click the recording thumbnail to open playback. Teams links recordings to Stream, OneDrive, or SharePoint depending on your tenant. If playback opens in Stream Classic, use the Stream interface to identify owners and download options. If playback is in OneDrive or SharePoint, open the file location to view version history and sharing settings. Make sure you note whether the file is in a channel folder SharePoint or a chat folder OneDrive because download steps differ slightly. To save the recording, click the Download button in Stream or the OneDrive/SharePoint file menu. The recording is typically an MP4. Once done, verify the saved file plays locally. If the download option is missing, ask the file owner to adjust sharing or download permissions, or have an admin check tenant policies. Finally, if you can't find the recording at all, confirm retention policies, expired links, or compliance holds. These are common reasons.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.